All right, prime time. This is the video to find the winner of our multi-team graded card. That was the 1964, I believe 1964. I have it right here. Yep, 1964 RBI leaders for between the Atlanta Braves and the St. Louis Cardinals, which was Russell and Tony. So we're just going to run a random video like a raffle, and then whoever's on top after the last roll is our winner. So we'll check the time, June 22nd at 9:37 p.m. We're going to go over to, we'll call it the raffle, and type live. And we have June 22nd at 9:37 p.m. There is our two entries. Again, we're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. There you go. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Russell, spot 1. Well, Russell, not spot 1, but Russell is our winner. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, June 22nd, 9:38 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.